Hello, this is Aaron, and welcome to my, I guess you could say second DIY video, but actually this is just an add-on that I think would be really cool for you to see on my last video. So, my, Play-Doh. I kept adding baking soda to it, and it made it really sticky. So if you add more and more hand lotion, it'll make it less and less sticky and more stretchy. See, let me make sure I just get some video. I emptied this whole bottle. So there's no more, but I just used a lot of it and divided it into pieces. 2 parts non-treated and 1 part treated. I did that with the whole batch, and it turned out really cool. You could really mold it. And I'm sorry if my videos are really laggy. Oh, and sorry about the dog. Wait a second. Sorry about that. Someone's just knocking on the door. Wait a sec. I'm back again. The dog is really annoyed, so if you hear some barking, it's just a dog. Well, that's all I need to say for this video. If you need more help, just leave something in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So I don't really check my video comments often because I don't really have any. Thanks. Bye.